Now we'll learn about layer properties. So this is a most important properties in AutoCAD, because when we'll work a massive project or a mass project, then we have to go with layer, because we'll use different element in different times. And if our client tell us to change anything, like suppose I have created something here and here. Now when we have a big project, then we will then we need many times to change anything or to create anything. Then suppose your client are telling you just change that color, or I need that specific color, or I need that specific dimension, or I need that specific thickness actually. So how we'll do that, or how we'll go for it? Okay, so to do that, we have to use layer. Now I have created three things. If I click here, just see a different layer named dim. If I click here, a different layer named rod, and if I click here, a different layer named as dim. So how we'll create that? First of all, the most important thing is how we'll create that. Suppose when I will create a line, and first of all you have to select a layer from here, for which layer you want to work. Suppose I want to level any place, then I will use the name, I will create that manually level. Then if I go layer, and it will follow everything, from here. You will see that value from here. Okay, I will come here later. Now if I use level layer, and from here I will take line, and if I just go in any direction, just see it will give you something like with respect to that layer. Now if I just go for that layer, and if I create anything, you will see that it's giving you that line. So this is the way to create anything as per your requirement by using layer. And also if you need to change that color, suppose you need to change that color, then what you'll do, by selecting here, you can change here. But when you have a huge work, then how we'll do that? Then simply I'll come here, and I'll click here, and I'll change its color from suppose here or here, and then I'll click OK. Just see it will change everywhere. How much layer properties you will use to draw how much data, everywhere it will change. So now how will create that actually? Let's start for that.